Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I am in my dining room in the gigantic dollhouse that I am working on. And I am working on figuring out a way to place a light fixture up on the ceiling without any glue, any adhesives, any tape, because these lights can be a little bit heavy, so they can fall on top of your items. Sometimes they come with an adhesive. This one actually did come with an adhesive, but it's a used one, so I don't have the same type of adhesive, but I have other adhesives. I just don't want to use adhesives on the ceiling. So what I want to do is a magnet idea to hold it up and nothing will fall. So I figured it out and I wanted to share it with you. So you will watch what I do. So we have the ceiling up there. So my idea was to take a whole bunch of magnets. That's all this is. A whole bunch of magnets. This side has some felt. And these are just different magnets put together. Now, I am on the first floor here. Above this dining room, there is that girl's room. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to place this here. Let me light it up. The magnets are going to go on there. It's going to be like a little table for the girls, right? Put a little book on top. So now all those magnets have power. So let's go down to the dining room again and look at the ceiling. Now I have another set of magnets here with a drill stopper. A drill stopper, you see that? This one is a drill stopper. So we are going to just place it right around here, right around there, and look at that. The magnets in the girls' room are holding this one. There is no way that this is gonna fall. These are powerful enough to hold this one for this room. So I have that light that I had shown you, remember? I don't want to use an adhesive, I don't want to use tape. So let's see how this clings on to the magnet. Look at that. Look at that. It's being held only by magnets. Isn't that neat? I can always play around with different fixtures as long as I use magnets for this idea. I just love it. So if you want to do something like that, all you have to get is powerful magnets. These have a name here. These are very powerful. And then the drill stoppers that I showed you, these I bought at a yard sale. I actually bought them today and I didn't get to make a video of what I bought, and I'm already using them. So this in combination with magnets works wonders for your light fixtures. And I also happened to test out another idea. I made some lamps with those magnets. I bought these little knobs at the yard sale today. I haven't made a video yet on them, but they are perfect. Look at that. This is one of the magnets that you saw that I used. This is a drill stopper, and this is the knob. So I made 2 lamps. So I hope that you've enjoyed this idea and that it's useful to you in any creation that you're thinking about. So thank you for your time and thank you for watching.